Percent error is a value that describes the accuracy of a measured or estimated value compared to the actual value. It's always a positive percent. So you have an example of an estimated attendance is 3,000, but the actual attendance was 3,296. What is the percent error? So you can set this up. You can see here, these are absolute value bars. So the estimated was 3,000 minus 3,296, which gives you a value of 296. And you are always going to divide by the actual value. So you're going to take that difference of 296, divide it by the actual, and you get 0.0898, or approximately a 9% error. In this example, Bob has a container. The volume is 1.5 liters, which he doesn't know. He estimates the volume to be 2 1/10 liters. And what is his percent error? So you are going to, again, you're going to find that absolute value of what the actual is from what he estimates, and that is 6/10. And we are dividing that by the actual, which is not 2.1, it is 1.5. Sorry guys, my stylus isn't working. So we have 6/10 divided by 1 5/10, which gives you a 40% error. That's a huge error. So remember, you're going to divide by the actual, set up a simple subtraction problem, and then you're going to go into your discussion groups and work on these practice problems. Whatever you don't finish will be homework.